Okay, I'm doing this video just for an update for this Family Pocket FC3000 handheld console. Previously in my review I mentioned that you cannot load your own ROMs into this system. Turns out you can. I've just discovered this. So what you need to do is open the back cover. Okay, maybe I'm late to the party or late to the info, but you just remove the back cover, remove the battery, and what you see there, that is a micro SD slot, which you can just eject the micro SD and load the ROMs that you want to load into the system. There you go. All the ROMs is in this micro SD, and let's just load a few of my own ROMs and see if it will run. Let me just show you. Let me just put this to my computer and I'll show you in the next shot. Alright. Okay, so I don't have a capture software installed yet, but this is the micro SD from the console that I removed just now. So let's just open it. See, it contains all these folders. This folder is called demo, images, ROMs, and save. What you do is you dump all your ROMs into the ROM folder, which is this ROMs. We have CPS1, FC, GB, GBC, Game Gear, Mega Drive, Master System. Neogeo is the one I added recently, but it's not working. Actually, to load up the neogeo games, you need to put it inside the SNK folder. So this is all your folders. This is where you drag and drop all your ROMs. So I think I've loaded a few ROMs here, which is this is one of them, Pokemon Go, and we will see if it works later, but let me just try something. Okay, how do you might be wondering, how do you include game arts? To include game art, you need to save it as a PNG file and drop it into the images and then the system folder, which is GBC. And if, for an example, I'll just use the Pokemon Go example just now, GBC, Game Boy Color, and I'll drag and drop one PNG game art for Pokemon Go, and I'll just rename it to the same name as my ROM file. Okay, so there you go. Then when I load it back to the system, it should load up the game art and also the new ROMs I've placed inside. So if you have one of these, so if you have the FC3000, yes, you can load up your own ROMs inside. Alright, so let's just put back the micro SD inside and see if we can load up the latest ROMs that we put inside this micro SD. Which is funny, I never noticed it when I was unboxing it or when I was testing it out. Then I discovered it a bit too late. Okay, let's just put the cover back on. Is the cover on? Yes, it is. Let's turn it on. See, I managed to load up the neogeo games, but for some reason the neogeo games won't run. I'm pretty sure I have the right ROM files, but no, it won't run. So I have no idea. If anyone else has an idea on how to load up the SNK, the neogeo games, please let me know. But going back to the previous topic, which is I've just loaded Pokemon Go into into the console, which one is it? The name. Hold on. Why is it not responding? I have no idea why this thing is not responding or crashing on me, but let's just restart the whole thing. Let's try to load it again. I think it might have to do with the game art that I've loaded inside just now. Maybe it's a bit too big. I need to resize it. Okay, let me just resize it and get back to you. Okay, so for your game art image, please make sure that the image size is 160 by 144 pixels, else you will crash the system. So there you go. This is the new ROM that I have loaded inside the microSD along with the game art. So let's see if it runs. Yes, of course it runs because it's a GBC ROM. So there you go, there you have it. This is how you load up new games into your FC3000 handheld console. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.